guys, it's Caitlin B and welcome back to my channel. I just got back from New York last night, so Alex and I were like, we need some food. We just got back from Whole Foods literally like a half hour ago, and I was like, wait a second. You guys always ask me to do a vegan grocery haul, so thought I would do one today. I actually think I did this once in college and you guys seem to love it, but I haven't done one since. If you guys want me to do a follow-up video showing you guys like what I eat in a week or like a couple meals maybe of things that I got from the grocery haul, then let me know in the comments below, because I know sometimes it's kind of weird to see like all of these food items and not know how to pair them together into like an actual meal. Also, I chopped, actually no, I didn't chop my hair. Honestly, I just took out my extensions. They were so grown out. I literally hadn't gotten them done since I lived in LA, you guys. That's how lazy I am when it comes to my hair. So honestly, thank God that I did, because it was sweltering hot in New York City. Oh my God, it was so hot. Okay, so let's get into this haul because I need to put the things away. Let's be honest. First thing we got here is a loaf of bread. This is not even for me, this is for Alex. We do all of our grocery shopping together. In case you guys wonder, we honestly have done this since college, pretty much. Alex loves to cook most of our meals, even though I really like to cook, like he doesn't let me cook anymore, so. He probably got this for soup, am I right? I'll take his silence as a yes. Okay, next thing I got is some cherries. Oh my gosh, they are so underrated. I feel like this is the most underrated fruit ever. These are candy to me. I could eat this entire bag. I just like to eat them plain, honestly. Just like throw them in a bowl, wash them, obviously, they're good to go. I try not to get too many fruits at once because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm not like a huge fruit person. I like to make smoothies and have fruits as snacks sometimes, but for the most part, I'm like veggies all the way. Next thing we got are some tomatoes. Alex is making some minestrone soup tonight, so a bunch of these ingredients are for this soup. We love making soups like all year round, even though it's summertime. We are all about convenience. It's also super cost friendly, super easy, will last you like at least a few days to a week. I also picked up some strawberries because I like to cut this up and put them in my oatmeal in the morning. Actually, lately, you guys, I've been making quinoa oatmeal instead of regular oatmeal. I posted on my stories recently that my oatmeal was driving me nuts because it kept pouring over, and lo and behold, I accidentally bought regular oatmeal instead of the quick cook steel oats. I just got regular steel oats. If you guys have ever gotten that, it takes literally forever. So I was like, okay, not today. Not today. So I went in my pantry and was like, what other grain do I have that I could make something this morning because I was starving? And I had a bunch of quinoa, and ever since I've been making quinoa instead of oatmeal, like quinoa oatmeal, and it's amazing. I feel like 2 things of fruit is like good for us, at least for at least a week. How are the cherries? I'm not gonna eat them until I wash them.
Like little pesticides.
Yum, I love pesticides. They're so good. So I'm guessing the whole peeled tomatoes are also for the soup.
Yeah, one of them is, and one of them is just for regular sauce.
Alex is all about like making sauces instead of buying them store-bought. If you guys have a Whole Foods by you, you need to check these out. I've seen them on the shelves for like the past like 2 months, and they are so good. These are basically corn nuts, like spicy corn nuts, except not like the packaged ones that you can get at just like Target that are like full of MSGs and dyes and like gross. Corn kernels, sunflower oil, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, and salt. So this is just a really good snack. We've gotten this like twice now. Honestly, a lot of the days I don't eat snacks just because I do eat like pretty big meals, so I'm satiated until like the next meal. I don't really snack too much, but when I do, it's corn nuts. I also picked up some unsweetened almond milk. I usually like to get the vanilla almond milk unsweetened, but Alex makes a lot of soups and wants just regular unsweetened, like not vanilla, so I started getting just the unsweetened with no vanilla. I also use that in my quinoa oatmeal in the mornings. So he also got some udon noodles. I guess he's making Shanghai noodles. Oh yeah, these are so good as well, you guys. I think these are only at Whole Foods that I've seen. Maybe they're other places, but these are Saffron Road crunchy chickpeas. This is the falafel flavor. They have a couple different flavors, but we really like this one. It literally tastes like falafel, obviously, because falafel is made of chickpeas, but this is like a crunchy snack version. Some caramelized pecans. What are these for? Are they just a snack? He got these just a snack, but honestly, you guys, these are really good to throw in salads. Like, I like to chop these up. And then he also got this light coconut milk.
Coconut curry.
Ooh, coconut curry. See, I don't even know what we're making for the week most of the time. So he just kind of like goes and I go and get my stuff at the grocery store and then he picks up a bunch of stuff separately. This is a really good option though. It has 60% less fat and calories than regular coconut milk. And then he also got these cannelli beans, cannellini, and these are for the minestrone soup, I believe. One bag down. If you guys have never tried these Whole Foods chips, go run to Whole Foods ASAP because these are the best chips. Expensive as shit. They're like $8, which is so stupid, but they're so good. Like if you just are like wanting to treat yourself, get these. We also got some organic orzo, organic cavatelli. Are these both for the minestrone? So you know how when you go to the grocery store and you're getting produce and then you get these green bags right here? Well, Trader Joe's started doing a thing which I thought was awesome, that they started making like biodegradable bags, but we don't always go to Trader Joe's. So I saw this and I've seen these on Amazon as well, but just since it was there, I was like, I'm gonna pick this up because these are reusable veggie bags. So basically you just use them in place of these when you're grocery shopping for produce because it's like you just throw them away and it's so wasteful. I'm gonna go put this in the pantry right now so that I remember when I actually go grocery shopping to grab my reusable bags because obviously we forgot to do that today because we weren't planning on grocery shopping, but we were running errands, so we decided to just head there. I also picked up the Kite Hill Greek style almond milk yogurt. This is in strawberry because I usually get plain, but they were sold out of my flavor, so I had to get strawberry, but this one's still really good. So this is Greek style, so if you guys like regular Greek yogurt, this is a great vegan version of that. And they had a deal, 2 for $3, I think. I like to eat this in the morning. I'll either eat avocado toast, the quinoa oatmeal, or else I will do one of these Greek yogurts. I'll pour them in a bowl and then I put granola on top and then I will put fresh berries and cinnamon. So I'll do strawberries since I have strawberries, but sometimes I'll do blueberries. That makes it more full for me in like a meal because otherwise, yeah, just yogurt I don't get full off of. Next thing we got was organic gnocchi. So good. This one's gluten-free. This one actually comes in a little 2-pack here and it's supposed to cook in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's super fast. This one is vegan, which is really cool. A lot of times gnocchi has like eggs in the actual like outer shell part, but I was surprised this one didn't. We love making gnocchi. It's so easy. Like we always get the packaged one and then he'll like either make his own sauce or like do something and then add some veggies. Really easy dinner idea if you guys are looking for something and you like pasta, but you want to like switch it up from your normal routine. I also picked up some bananas and I'll just eat bananas either as a snack with some almond butter in my Greek yogurt or in my quinoa oatmeal and like stir it in there so it gets really warm and just sweetens the quinoa naturally without having to use any additional sweetener. We also got some of this salsa Lisa hot. This stuff is so good, you guys. Oh my god, salsa Lisa, you know what's up, girl. She's killing it, but this with the Whole Foods chip. Next, I got an avocado because I love me some avocados, but honestly, I always get like way too many and then they get really brown and then I have to go buy new ones and it's just a vicious cycle. So I only got one. Boom, boom. Avocado toast is so good. It's my favorite breakfast to make in the morning. Also, you guys, I just went to New York City, as I mentioned like 8,000 times in this video, and I ordered an avocado toast, insert photo here, and this was $18. Excuse me. New York. You need to calm down with your prices. I also got 2 lemons because I like to make lemon water. I like to squeeze this as like a dressing on salad with some sea salt, as you guys saw in my last What I Eat Today video, which I will put up here if you guys want to see that. But it's just a really good dressing. It's honestly underrated and it tastes delicious. And I also like to squeeze this on my avocado toast. What is this? Is this a turnip? Got a turnip for minestrone. Got some carrots for the minestrone. Got some onions for the minestrone. I add onions to everything. I am addicted to onions. I basically am an onion. Curry powder for the curry and a jar to hold the curry powder. Second bag down. Also got some green beans for the Shanghai noodles and the minestrone soup. We got some zucchini for the minestrone. Yeah. Okay. Celery, also for the minestrone. Got some spinach. This is the organic baby spinach that's triple washed. I always get the triple wash so that I don't have to actually wash it after. And in a box as much as possible just because it actually lasts longer and stays fresher when it's in the box as opposed to a bag. So the more you know. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so exciting. I found this Engine 2. If you guys haven't heard of like the Engine 2 diet, it's a vegan diet and they have like cookbooks. So I found this in the frozen section next to the regular pizzas, and this is some stone baked pizza crust, 100% whole wheat. It has 28 whole grains per serving, no added oils, which is amazing. So I thought I would make myself some little pizzas, and it has a bigger size and a smaller size. So I also got some of this pasta sauce. Alex was all about me making my own pasta sauce, but then we found this and I just thought this would be easier. So this is just fresh pasta sauce like arrabbiata. I love adding baby spinach to that. It's so good. Some nooch. And I also have recently tried this and it's so good, you guys. So if you've been wanting to make like pizzas or caprese salad, this is actually a vegan mozzarella, and this is by the brand Miyoko's. And this is the fresh Italian style vegan mozzarella, cultured organic. It melts, bubbles, browns, and slices. And it actually does that. And it actually tastes freaking delicious. And this is actually made out of coconut oil, cashews, organic tapioca, sea salt, and cultures. And I'm going to be like breaking it up into chunks and putting this on my pizza. I might have some like basil. I cannot wait to use this, but if you guys have been missing pizza or missing like mozzarella cheese in your life, definitely check this out. Even if you eat cheese, you should try this because it's freaking delicious. I also picked up this cauliflower fried rice, or cauliflower rice, I should say. It's not like fried. This is technically, it just says paleo friendly, but it is vegan. I'm not paleo by any means. Cauliflower, zucchini, yellow squash, carrot, ginger, green onion, and cilantro. I will just make this like on a skillet, maybe add like a tiny dab of coconut oil or something, and just make myself a little meal out of this. I try to steer away from like buying the things that are like packaged for you, like the zoodles, but when it comes to cauliflower, like, oh my god, making cauliflower rice just from scratch is not fun, you guys, especially when your food processor is broken, so you have to kind of just like do it by hand or in a blender. It's a freaking nightmare, and I tried it the other week and I was like, never again. On to the last couple of things. I have some fire roasted corn.
Cut the cilantro.
Oh my god, it smells so good. But we have some fire roasted corn. We like always have this in our freezer at all times. I will even put this on my pizza sometimes. We're making stir fries. We like to put this in soup, and we always have peas also in our fridge. Not even just for soups, but for stir fries. Alex likes to make a lot. The last thing, this stuff is so good. So this is by the brand Corn. Is that how you say it? Corn. This is meatless and soy-free chicken tenders. We don't eat like a bunch of fake meats. This stuff is actually really good. These little chicken, they're just like little chicken cubes for soups. Extra little bit of protein, because not all the time you want to have like tofu in like soup or something, you know what I mean? So these are really good, and the thing that I love about them is that they're not made with soy, which a lot of fake meats are made with soy, and I try to limit my soy intake to just like tofu or edamame, like minimally processed soys, and I will still even limit that, so I won't have it too often, just because it does kind of do a number on your hormone. This stuff is actually made with mycoprotein, potato protein, and pea fiber. So I don't know how it tastes like chicken, but honestly it tastes like chicken. My mom still eats meat and she tastes this like all the time. All right guys, so that is everything that we got in this grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you guys want me to do these more regularly. Should I be doing these at least like once, twice a month? I don't know, let me know. A lot of the time these vegan hauls, I mean, because we just went out of town, because we do travel a lot, like we do tend to like get like stock up on some things here and there, but for the most part we try to go to the grocery store more frequently because we do live close to them. So we want to get, you know, fresh things and not waste a bunch of food, because a lot of times it's so easy to go to the grocery store and buy like hundreds and hundreds of dollars of produce, and because you're so excited to eat healthy and like make all these meals, and then buy way too much. Like I do that all the time, and it's such a bad habit. So I'm really trying to be better at that and not be so wasteful, and just making more trips to the grocery store and buying less stuff. So let me know if you guys want me to do these more frequently, and also let me know in the comments below if I should do some like follow-up videos where I show you guys what meals like we're actually making with these. Let me know if there's something else that's vegan that I should try and you haven't heard me talk about yet. I'm always looking for new things to try and see what your guys' recommendations are, so please help a sister out in the comments below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you in my next one.